This is what I've been working on this winter. It's an update to the sprinkler system calculator parts generator. The original tool was just called sprinkler system calculator. What it does is it gives you a list of parts after you set all the parameters for the system that you want to have installed. So I'm just going to go through and create a mock system. Just by a lot of it, it's just using the default settings. You don't actually have to go through all of this if you already know that the default settings are what you need, but this way I can show what it actually does. And what I'm doing here is, say I got to select the different types of configurations for in this case it's the valves, the different configurations for how the heads are going to be put together, type of boxes. Yes, I do want a master valve. Do 2 hose spigots. And then this is where you add the sprinkler heads. Basically, it's how you set up your zones. And it will calculate how many heads get to go on the zones and then tell you when you're adding an additional zone. Again, it's a mock system. I'm not following any plans, just showing how the system works. Oh, and then, yeah, it will not allow you to put spray heads and rotators on the same one because it's not good practice. And then this is the system parameters that were selected and all the components that are needed to do this full installation, including these part numbers are for Ewing. This right now is I don't have any setup for where it's going to go yet. But this is just the mock system that I've generated. And then you can export to CSV or export to PDF, and it creates the full list. And this is their basic pricing. So I mean, depending on whether you're a contractor or not, your pricing may be different, but this is what it would kick out, and then you could send it off to Ewing and actually get your stuff filled. Let's go back. And also, one thing I didn't show you was it also shows you an overview of what was selected and placed into individual zones. If there is available GPM on the zone, you can select it, go back to the heads section, and then start adding again by adding the proper head. I couldn't add a rotator because it would tell me it doesn't work. But this is the new system. I plan to release this sometime this spring. Thanks for watching.